If you want to change wallpaper on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we can go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to proceed to the Wallpaper and Style, and then over here we can tap on Change Wallpapers. Now in here we can find a couple of different options that you can choose from. You can try to find your favorite wallpaper, and you can also choose a picture from a gallery, for example. So let's say I'm going to choose this photo over here. After that, you can decide if you want to set the wallpaper on the lock screen or home screen or both. If you want to exclude something, you can simply tap on that screen, and then let's go next. Now in this case we have the preview for the lock screen. We can adjust the wallpaper, we can zoom in and zoom out quite easily. We can drag it around, and here at the bottom of the screen you can find some additional options that you can use if you want to. You can tap on the home button that we have at the bottom of the preview in order to switch to the home screen view. Once you are done with the adjustment, we can tap on Done in the upper right corner to save your changes, and there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.